We're having lunch at the garden today. I've cooked ginatang pechay. It's abundant at my Man and Grace Stirfish style Hong Kong. Join us here on Channel 1. You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, and you're watching the gardening series. Pechay galore, what should we be doing with all this pechay? Join me and let's explore an alternative way of preparing pechay. You will like it, I'm sure. Warm welcome, my friends. Your Kuya Uncle here. We are at the Dampa once again, and it's Dampa cooking, provincial cooking. It's a simple recipe today. What should we do with our abundant harvest of pechay? But to make several, we know pechay as an addition to our sinigang, etc. But we can also use pechay as a replacement for gabi, for our laing. Everything that we can add to our soup. Green leafy can also be cooked as ginataan. Let's say, for instance, spinach, malunggay, kangkong, sitaw. It's not leafy, but it's delicious for ginataan purposes. Today, pechay, ginataang pechay, will render it as laing. Join me and let's explore this another possibility for pechay. Your Kuya here. At magtatagalog tayo ha mga kaibigan. Bakit tayo magtatagalog? Pinoy tayo pero ibida natin yung ating pagkain sa buong mundo. So, as hospitable Pinoys, di ba, we want to offer it, and we want to offer it to the world, to the foreign friends we have. So we will be presenting mainly in English. Of course, magtatagalog din tayo Taglish dahil Pinoy tayo. Of course, I prefer Ilocano. Ilocano dito eh. And these are the ingredients. I'll be saying them as I prepare them. Onion, white onion and red onion, it doesn't matter, but the red onion always gives a sweeter flavor. Of course, stir-fry garlic is always there. Yes. This is my favorite way of crushing garlic. It doesn't always work. Look what happens here. See what happens, I should say. It's because of the unstable table. And this is something I've learned. Close up of the ingredients. You've seen the ginger there. I've learned this from the other channels who don't show their face. Ideally, the pechay should be arranged well. Yeah, but it's not very sightly, so long shot na lang, huwag nang close up. It's done. Quick actions on camera can be unsightly, kaya slow motion tayo. Dahan-dahan, my finesse. As always, we'll start with the stir fry. What can I say about the stir fry? Stay with me. I won't be talking about this recipe, but I'll be showing you the surroundings as we cook here in the dampa. Ako ha, nahuhulog-hulog ang mga ang mga bulaklak. So we'll shake the pergola for now to drop all the unwanted ingredients, the flowers of this bride shower flower. Yeah, wala na. We don't know, we might discover a new dish by adding some flowers to this plant, of this vine. Never seen before on any cooking channel. Ground meat drop in its entirety. This should be ready for the rest of the stir fry now. I'll put them all at once. This is the liberty I enjoy while I'm here at the dampa. Bara bara. Sa kusina, kunting hino. Normally, when we stir fry, when we cook ginatan, we stir fry the vegetables. But the vegetables are really fresh comparing to when making the classic tinete or laing. We boil the coconut milk. I don't know, I'm confused now. What? Ooh. Okay. Let's boil the coconut milk until it's thick, and then we'll add the vegetables. There's a known disadvantage of using very fresh vegetables. They're watery, matubig. I think it's thick enough now. We can add the veggies. Manang Grace is watching. Come on, say hello to them.
Hello! I'm also busy on the other side.
Yeah, surprise what she's
Surprise
preparing.
for the dinner.
That's why stay with us. You'll see what she's prepared. It's really Hong Kong style. What's ginataan without chili? It's not ginataan. You know that cream, coconut cream, and chili make a perfect match. Perfect marriage. Marriage made in heaven. Chili and gata. Kahit tanungin nyo sa mga Bicolano, they will agree. And not to mention the best relief for maanghang kung ikaw ay naanghangan is to drink milk or gargle with milk because cream, fat, neutralizes the chili. Di ko kursunada ang alamang, but it has to be added. Luto na siya. Let's taste it. Crap. Gawa na rin. This is our ginataang pechay. Treated as or rendered as laing. And if you enjoyed what you've just seen, don't forget to share and subscribe. This is our putahe. This is our hospitality to the world. That's why we're doing it in English. It's time to share. As we do it here in Channel 1, grow, cook, and share. This is a sharing time. Ginataang pechay, if you can do it to laing, you can do it to pechay also, and even to marunggay or malunggay. Do it at home, do it everywhere. Don't forget to grow, cook, and share. Thank you for joining me here today, and until next time, Diyos Agbati, your Kuya and Uncle here. Ramila. See, the steamed fish was made by Manang Grace. She also grows, cooks, and shares every time. Thank you, Manang.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Good.
Now, it's macalet.
Thank you for joining me today here at the Dampa, and see you next time at the kitchen sa bahay or elsewhere. Dito ulit. Thank you. Hanggang sa muli. Diyos Agbati. And again, on behalf of my Manang Grace, Alex, and our Yaya Ludo, we'd like to thank you for joining us today here at the garden. See you again, either here or at home at our small kitchen.